Listen up. Building a new habit can seem challenging, but with the right approach, it's possible to make any habit a habitual part of your daily routine. Whether you're trying to exercise more, eat healthier, read regularly, learn a new skill, creating a habit can help you achieve your goals. So, how do you build the habit of anything? Here are some key steps to help you get started. 1. Define your goal. The first step in building any habit is to clearly define your goal. What do you want to achieve? Be specific and realistic about what you want to accomplish. Write down your goal on paper and stick it where you can see it every day. 2. Plan your strategy. Having a plan in place is crucial for building a new habit. Think about what steps you need to take to achieve your goal. Break it down into smaller, manageable tasks that you can incorporate into your daily routine. For example, if your goal is to read more, your task could be to set aside 15 minutes every day for reading. Choose a book to read and create a reading list. By the way, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.